Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials. Log into Ludo Star and verify the account you'll edit. Once done, pick the picture you want. JPG or PNG works best, and keep it under about 5 MB so the app accepts it. Make sure Ludo Star has permission to access your photos or storage, otherwise you won't see your album. Now navigate straight to your profile or avatar edit area inside the app. This is where the image upload control lives and where you'll begin the change. Tap Profile, then Edit Avatar and choose Change or Upload to open the image picker. You can select from Gallery, take a new photo with camera, or pick from connected Facebook photos. Pick the source that holds your final image. After selecting the file, use the crop and zoom tools Ludo Star provides to center and scale the subject inside the circular avatar frame so it looks clear in-game. Once satisfied, confirm the crop. This step ensures the avatar isn't awkwardly cut off in lobbies, and finish by tapping Save or Confirm and wait for the app to upload and update your avatar. You should see a success message or the new image immediately. If it doesn't appear, retry using a smaller file or convert to PNG or JPG, because size and format are common issues. Also make sure your internet connection is stable and the app still has storage or photo permissions. If the problem persists, restart the app or reinstall to reset cached permission states, and then attempt the upload again.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.